Assalamu alaikum. Today we will teach you how to prepare a result. In this video, I will give you a complete guide. Please watch the video till the end. First, we identify the student, their class and list all the subject along with their maximum marks. Next, we record the marks obtained by the student in each subject. Now add all the obtained marks to calculate the total. Here Ali scored 495 out of 600. Percentage indicates the overall performance. Divide total obtained marks by maximum marks and multiply by 100. Ali's percentage is 82.5%. Assign grade. Based on the percentage, assign the grade according to the grading scale. Ali achieved grade A. The final result table clearly shows marks for each subject, total, percentage, and grade. Now I will talk about optional ranking. Ranking helps to identify top performance and access overall class performance. Optional color coding styling. Styling the result sheet makes it visually appealing and easier to read. Now I would like to one important thing that I want to tell you which you must definitely keep in mind. First thing, always check all marks before calculating totals. Second, keep separate columns for maximum marks, obtained marks, percentage and grade. Now you have learned the complete method of result preparation in a clear and professional way. Apply these steps to make your result accurate, organized and impactful. So, to watch more informative video like this, stay connected with our channel Magnificent Knowledge. Thanks for watching.